Hi everybody. I wanted to wait until there was a little bit of sunshine out because the last several days have been so dark and rainy and stormy. It just did not feel like a good time to make a video where you guys could see a book I was going to read to you. But also I've been noticing and hearing that so many people I know and friends and family have been getting sick lately. Maybe because it's been so cold and so stormy or wintry wherever you live, or the weather's just kind of been up and down that it makes our immune systems kind of go crazy, and that's how we can get sick sometimes. So I found the perfect book to read to you today. It's a really short one, but it's called When Your Elephant Has the Sniffles. And sometimes we just get the sniffles and they go away even though they're kind of annoying. We got to keep wiping our nose and washing our hands. And sometimes it means we're getting a cold or a flu or something else that lasts a little bit longer. But can you imagine how big those sneezes would be if you had an elephant that had the sniffles? Or what would you do for a tissue? A blanket, a sheet? You'd need something huge. So I thought I'd even bring my little elephant friend here that I have, that my friend made for me with her own two hands, and he will sit here and read this book with us. When Your Elephant Has the Sniffles. Sniff, sniff, sniffle. Uh-oh. Does your elephant have the sniffles? Uh-huh, she says, holding up a sign. Where did she even get a pet elephant in the first place? I'd like to know. You know, we need a backstory. When your elephant has the sniffles, you must take good care of him. Oh, she's trying to cheer him up. He's feeling sad. Tissues are everywhere. Elephant sniffles can be quite serious. And so you don't want your elephant to start sneezing. That's true, just like I thought. Those sneezes would be huge through that trunk. Put him to bed, even if he tells you he's just fine. No, you need your rest. Climb on in. If there's anything in the room that might make him sneeze, hide it. Oh, there she goes. She's got a broom, sweeping up all this dust. Dust definitely can make us sneeze. Right now, even though it's sunny, it's so windy, and so the wind is kicking up all this stuff, and I've been sneezing too. The cat might make his elephant sneeze, the flowers in a vase, so she is working to sweep everything out of that room. Then prop him up with lots of pillows and cover him with plenty of blankets. I'd like to know what her bed is made out of, that this elephant is not breaking it. Bring him his favorite stuffed animal to snuggle with. Oh, a pet lion. At first, your elephant might not mind being tucked into bed. Oh, this is kind of nice and cozy. Yes. He might want another pillow. Then he might ask for his trucks. Then he might want you to bring him an ice pop or two. Oh, look at her face. She's getting a little bit annoyed, huh? That kind of reminds me of if you give a moose a muffin or if you give a mouse a cookie, right? Then he's going to want something else. But after a while, he will get bored. So you will have to think of fun things to do. Oh, look at that. She's reading to him. They've got coloring books, games, balls, soup, cards, building blocks, paper airplanes, even snacks, video games, a piano. Oh my goodness. They went through all that stuff and still he's bored. After all those fun things, you can make some shadow puppets. Remember, rest is very, very important, and you do not want your elephant to start sneezing. But by now, your elephant will be thirsty. Oh, it's so hot. I'm so thirsty. I'm sticking my tongue out. Bring him lots of liquids because those are important for fighting the sniffles. And you do not, under any circumstances, want your elephant to start sneezing. Well, of course not. That trunk, it'll be like a tornado went through the house if he sneezes, huh? Look at all those delicious beverages she has. An orange one, a hot one in a cup, a brown one that looks like chocolate milk, maybe a grape soda. Lucky elephant. After the drinks, your elephant will probably announce that he's had quite enough and he is getting up. That's it. So distract him by dressing up and singing a song. But be careful what props you use. Uh-oh. I mean, her outfit is fabulous. She's got this like lovely red hat and some cowgirl boots, but this feather boa, and the feathers are falling out and they might tickle his nose. And then what's gonna happen? Because after all your hard work, his nose might begin to itch and twitch and that even got my doggy looking up at me. Oh dear. when your elephant has the sniffles, you just might end up with them too. And now she's stuck in bed. That is what happens, huh? Our germs spread to friends and family and each other. I hope you feel better, Mr. Elephant. And I hope that if you've been feeling under the weather, you get lots of rest and relaxation and liquids and playtime, and you feel better too. Have a good day.